What's happening, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to check out the weather conditions around the United States, see what's happening. So we got storms. We got there's so I, well let's check out what I did on the MyRadar app. So I'm doing aerial and I'm doing globe, and I'll try that today. And then I got the high def on, and I got the winds, the lightning on, and the winds checked, temperatures checked, and yeah, we'll check out the air quality index, see if that does anything. No change there. All right, so we got yeah. So this is moderate air quality here. Everything else is presumably good air quality. Um, Check the orbital tracking, see what that is. I didn't see any changes on orbital tracking. Did you? I didn't see any. Nothing. All right. So I'm not gonna worry about that today. Sometimes I see these lines over on the coast, like beyond the coast and ocean, on the orbital tracking, but I didn't see anything today. Um, Earthquakes on. Turn on the wildfire. I should say. Which power outages. So power outages are the blue spots, apparently. And let's check out droughts as well. I didn't see any changes there. Droughts. Wow. So there's droughts all over the country, particularly in northern Colorado, southern Wyoming, parts of Montana, and you can see there's droughts in many places. That kind of jumbles the map a bit, so I'm gonna remove that. Power outages. Could be related to the storm system. The storm system here, and it's in northern Colorado. For whatever reason, there's some power outages there. Power outages in Nevada. A few spot places in Texas where there's power outages. Tennessee, Mississippi, northern Mississippi, very southern South Carolina, and what's the Vero Beach in Miami has some power outages. A few power outages with a storm system in it's a little bit unclear which state that is. It might be Ohio. It's hard. There's Columbus. I know Columbus is in Ohio. And this is Pennsylvania, so it's hard to tell what. Don't really get to see all the. When the map is a little bit jumbled, you don't get to see everything in terms of. But anyway, so we got. So I'm gonna turn these things off when I'm not using power outages. So there's power outages. So there's that, and then so we got fires. We got a couple fires in Montana. Got a fire in northeastern Colorado. Fire in southeastern Oklahoma. Fire in the Houston area, north of Houston. Fire in Mississippi, southern Mississippi. And then a few fires, and one fire in northern Florida and one fire in southern Florida. We'll remove the fires, wildfires, no earthquakes. But there is lightning. There's lightning in the storm system in Colorado, which is kind of like middle of Colorado to slightly eastern central Colorado. There's lightning in Illinois at the storm system there. Quite a bit of lightning throughout Illinois. Springfield, Urbana, Quincy. That's all the lightning we're seeing. And then there's a storm system in Illinois at the moment, and then it's going through much of the northern states, northeastern states at the moment, through Ohio, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia, and into northern Virginia and Maryland. And then it appears this is likely snow, and because of the temperatures, you see the temperatures are 28 degrees, 26 degrees, 30 degrees, 27 degrees. And so the very likely snow over Massachusetts and probably smaller states in the Northeast, Rhode Island, that area. Yeah. So yeah, this storm system is starting. It's in Illinois, and it's going fairly quickly, and it's going all the way through much of the Northeast. And in various parts, you got rain in the warmer areas where it's above 32 degrees. And then where it's below 32 degrees, you have snow and possibly ice, sleet, and that sort of thing. Temperatures, 78 in Miami. Seattle 52. LA 65. New York 33. St. Louis 52, Kansas City 43. Omaha 42, Minneapolis 51, Milwaukee is 37, and then you got Detroit 37, Denver 47. Tucson, Arizona 80, Phoenix 85. Yeah, there's swirling winds in the Atlantic, the North Atlantic. Not much of a pattern in the Pacific. So good at Alaska and Hawaii. See if we can find. There's Anchorage. Anchorage is 11. A bit north of Anchorage. -12 in Fairbanks. And Juneau is 21. Let's look at Hawaii. Honolulu, 77. Main Island, 82. 74 and 77. Not much precipitation over Hawaii. East to west winds throughout Hawaii. Yep, I think I'm gonna leave it there today. Yeah, so there's kind of two storm systems, one in the Denver area, and even just northern Colorado, and then another that's kind of going is in Illinois now, mid Illinois, and it's going all the way into the northeast United States, and snow in the northeast, and rain in more southern areas of the country. All right, that's all I got. Hope you have a wonderful day.